Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this color pattern for mask adapter. This pattern is actually made of single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. I think this is so easy and suitable for beginners, so I'd like to invite you to watch the whole video. Kindly push the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. The essential material for mask adapter is yarns, crochet hook, 2 buttons, the tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. In this video, I'll be using crochet hook number 4. As usual, the first thing to do is to make a slip knot like this, and then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then make a single crochet and second chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 single crochet in this row. Actually it is 8 including the last chain. The last chain is considered as first single crochet. Then make chain 2 and turn the work. Make a double crochet in the second stitch. Skip the first one, go for the second one. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6 double crochet. The first 2 chain is considered as double crochet. This means that there are 7 double crochet in second row. Then chain 2, just like before, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then skip 1 stitch and make another double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1 and make another double crochet in the same stitch. This stitch is called V stitch because it looks like V. Then skip the stitch next to the V stitch, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the chain, in the second chain. Okay, alright. Chain 2 and repeat the row 2. It is by making double crochet in the next stitch, make double crochet in the V stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 double crochet on the top of the previous stitch, previous double crochet, and 1 double crochet on the top of chain 2. Then chain 2, turn the work. Now we start to make a collar pattern. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then make a slip stitch in the first V stitch. Okay, now we're going to make color pattern, the right one. Make chain 1 firstly, then 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, one half double crochet. Make it slowly, be sure that you can make it perfectly. Then 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, and 5 double crochet. Then end it with 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, right, it's done. Then make V stitch, 1 double crochet firstly, don't forget to chain 1, make another double crochet in the same stitch, but before you make another double crochet, make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a slip stitch at first V stitch like this, because we're going to make the left side of the collar. Chain 1. Okay, repeat the pattern. Make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 5 double crochet. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 1 half double crochet. Okay, we got the first color pattern. Then make 1 double crochet on the 6th double crochet, and 1 more double crochet on the last double crochet. This means that on the chain 2 they will consider as double crochet also. Then chain 2, turn the work, make 1 double crochet on the 2nd stitch. This time you need to include the front loops into the hooks before you make double crochet. Okay, grab the yarn for double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over to close the double crochet, then make a V stitch, chain 1, another double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. This time you need to include the back loop of the collar, the back loops only. Insert the hook inside it and grab the working yarn to complete the double crochet stitch. Grab the working yarn, fold it up, put it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over to complete the double crochet. Then make the last double crochet of this row on the stitch, on the chain 2, on the top of chain 2. This is considered as double crochet also. Grab the yarn, Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over to complete the stitch. Then chain 2 to make the second color. To make the second color pattern, make 1 double crochet on the next stitch, then chain 6 and make chain 6 first, and make slip stitch on the second V stitch from the first one. This means that in this V stitch, second V stitch from the first color patterns, make a slip stitch here, chain 1 and make the color patterns. Firstly, single crochet, 1 single crochet just like before, then 1/2 double crochet, the pattern is similar, and 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/2 double crochet. Okay, now it's done. Then make a V stitch, 1 double crochet in V stitch space, chain 1, another double crochet in the same space, then okay, it looks like this. Then chain 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slip stitch at the same space. We make the first color stitch, now slip stitch, chain 1, then make the right color pattern, the left color pattern, sorry, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The last one is 1/2 double crochet. Okay, this is 1/2 double crochet. It's look like this. Then make double crochet on the 5th stitch. This is mean that on the 5th double crochet here. Then the last double crochet of this row, it is on the top of chain 2 we made before. It is considered as double crochet. Okay, this is what it's look like. Temporarily there are 2 color pattern so far. So we're gonna make another one, chain 2. Okay, this is the back side from the back. Make 1 double crochet here, so in this time you need to insert your hooks in the back loop of the left collar. I'm sorry, it's on the back loop, not in the front loop. Then V stitch, chain 1, another double crochet in the same space. Okay, 1 double crochet and insert the hooks on the back loops of the collar pattern, the right collar pattern. Insert the hook here, grab the working yarn, then complete the double crochet pattern. Okay, then make a last double crochet in this stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over to complete the double crochet stitch. Then chain 2 again to make more color pattern. Just repeat the pattern, insert the hook on the second stitch to make 1 double crochet. Then just like before, make chain 6 and slip stitch on the second V-stitch from the first one. It's like this. I make a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 color pattern. Okay, this is the last part. Chain 2, turn the work, make 1 double crochet in the second double crochet, and insert the hook in the back loops of the left collar pattern. Grab the working yarn and complete the double crochet. Then insert the hook in the space before V-stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet on the top of a double crochet in a V-stitch, then make 1 double crochet on the top of second double crochet in the V-stitch, then make 1 double crochet again, okay, in the top of previous double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in chain stitch. Okay, now you're almost ready. Chain 1, make a single crochet in second stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 and 6. Add 1 more chain, then cut yarn, sew on the button, cut yarn again, and mask adapter is ready. Thank you so much for watching.